Hello guys, I'm eating chocolate because I love chocolates. And Daddy told me yesterday on the Lulu, "Hey, put it back." He do that when he sees my chocolate, this one, and he put it back. And now I'm gonna taste this. Oh. It tastes so gummy. And look at this flavor is strawberry, honey, and that's beautiful. So we're not gonna try this because we'll get engagement. But it's gonna love it. And I have a lot of chocolates and time is over and I'm gonna taste this out. Look guys, my apple sugar and it's very good. I'm gonna do this for my own selfie pack. Yummy! We're gonna do this. You. And
Don't forget.
don't forget to hit the bell button for our latest update.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye!